In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to transfer funds on GatesFX. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to GatesFX.com and then sign into your account. Now from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the hamburger or the burger sign over here, the navigation menu, and then from here you'll need to go down to funds. From here you'll simply need to open it up like so. And then from here you'll be able to see transfer funds down here. Once from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll be able to initiate your international information, where you'll need to add transfer from, where you'll need to choose the specific wallet that you want to transfer the money from. Then from here you'll need to choose where the money should be to. So let's just choose this one in particular. From here you'll need to click continue. And from here, you'll need to add in how much you want to transfer over to this specific wallet account. From here, you'll simply need to click continue again, and then confirm the confirmation. Then from here, within a couple minutes, your funds will transfer over to the new wallet account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!